Guys, welcome to my another video. Today we are going to discuss how to connect your Tesla Bluetooth and how to transfer audio from your phone to your Tesla system. I know Tesla has a very awesome audio system. If you're able to transfer, it will be amazing. So I'm going to show you how to active your Bluetooth, how to transfer voice call and any other audio to your Tesla system. And if you have a bad connection, I'm going to show that how to fix that. So further ado, let's dive into now. So now I'm going to show you how to find your Bluetooth system. So mine is already in here. You can connect from here. But sometimes you don't see your Bluetooth sign in here, then how you can find out them? Did you see three dot in here? Click on here and you see so many things in here that now you find out Bluetooth in here. So Apple Music, radio, and this is the Bluetooth. So you click in here and you can find in here, and then you can see in here and connect phone and the plus sign. Now before you click in there, you make sure your phone Bluetooth option is turned on. If it is off, you're not gonna able to do it. You're not gonna able to connect it. So now I turn it on. My system is active. I'm gonna go in my Tesla. See this plus sign right here? You click it and see they are searching the nearby devices and they found iPhone. So my iPhone is here. I'm going to click it. Now it's going to add. You see the 470009, it's matching. If this number doesn't match, don't try to pair it. It's not going to work. So I'm going to pair it and you have to allow it. I allow it and your phone is being connected. So now you have to do, you can do a couple of things in here. See, you can connect multiple devices. Now one of the device you can give priority, like my phone I put as a priority list. So it will help me to get phone call. Whatever I'm doing, they will skip it and I'll get the phone call. So call will attempt to connect to the priority device before others when using the following profiles. You can also choose more other option like messaging option, all of this. So I have to do some settings in here. So right now I'm working with the audio system. So just let you know, if you want to disconnect, you can just click in here or forget device and it will be disconnecting from your phone. So now let's find out how to transfer audio from your phone to your Tesla. Before I do YouTube, let's do a phone call test. So now I got a phone call because I'm connected. So I got a phone call, I can pick up from here. I'm driving, so let's pick up from here. I got a phone call and I pick it up from my phone. Now I can hear from my Tesla Bluetooth. So I don't have to depend on my phone. I don't have to rely on my phone. I can talk. Sometimes we can hear the voice. Then you have to go in here and you have other devices like headphone or speaker or phone itself. You just have to choose option. So go in here and choose your car. Now I can hear from my car. So this is one of the important things, make sure you apply if you have any issue. Now we are going to try to transfer audio.
Welcome one and all to The Late Show. I'm your host, Stephen Colbert. Folks, here in New York, here in the Big Apple, after weeks.
So now I can watch this video and the audio is being transferred to my Tesla. So one of the extra tips I'm going to give it to you. Sometimes we have issue like little bit sound issue. If sometimes your system doesn't work properly, you might have to disconnect and connect back again. So I'm going to show you how to disconnect and connect again. To disconnect Bluetooth from your Tesla system, you have to go in Bluetooth and select the phone you have, and then you see this option is all this sign. You see this connected green sign, that means this phone is connected. So you can go forget device and disconnect it. So that's the way you can disconnect. Now if you get bad connection, so you have to reconnect again. So easily you can reconnect. I just show you. So go Bluetooth and search the nearby device, and you will see a code will match, like the number should be same both in your phone and your Tesla screen. So then you pair it and you get connected. So you saw I'm able to transfer my phone call or any other music or audio video to my Tesla. This is fantastic. But sometimes we have issue too. So if I receive a phone call and if I cannot hear in my Tesla system, you have to do certain things. You have to go to this three dot and you have to click on Bluetooth, and your phone call goes directly in there, or any other audio, it directly goes in there. Otherwise, sometime you might receive a phone call, or sometime you might running YouTube, or sometime watching any other video, the voice is not going over to your Tesla because it is not connected. So you have to connect it, even though it is connected now, but sometimes you have to connect again. So you might go click on the Bluetooth. Maybe you are using your phone regular option, or maybe you using your headphone option. Sometimes that's why some of the people complaining, oh, I cannot hear. That's the reason. So you have to come here, you have to come in the Bluetooth and like click in here. That way your device gets active. So hey guys, you learn how to active your Bluetooth, how to transfer your audio from your phone to Tesla, and also you learn how to disconnect your Tesla system. Besides this, if you have any other question, please comments in the below and I will back to you. Hopefully this video will help you make your life easier, and if you think this video is helping you, give a thumbs up and I will appreciate for that. Thank you very much for watching. See you in another video.